Hello, Meng. Hi, Meng. Just unmute yourself once you're ready, okay, Meng?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Meng. How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, are you sleepy now, Meng?
No,
Oh, no, you're not. Can you tell me? What did you do? What did you do today?
nothing.
Nothing? You did not play football?
Play.
Oh, you played football. Did you eat your dinner already, Meg?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you did. What did you eat? Rice
Meat. Rice. And
and meat, rice, and that's all. Okay, meat and rice. Well, that's delicious, Meg. I hope you are full. So now let me share my screen directly. And yes, today we'll continue counting. Okay, so in here you have to tell me how many pink books are there? How many pink books?
uh, mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What do you think?
15.
15? Okay, let us see. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. We only have 10 pink books, Meg. 10. Okay, now how about orange books? How many orange books are there? How many orange books, Meg?
9. 6, 7. Ano? 7.
Okay, orange books. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, how many green books are there? How many green books are there?
10. 11.
Okay. Yeah, so we have 11. So can you add it all, Meg? 10 plus 7 plus 11 equals, what do you think? We have, what is your answer, Meng? 10. What is 10? And then 11 plus 7. Can you add it? We have how many books? How many books do we have? How many books are there, Meng? See, 1 plus 7 equals, what is 1 plus 7, Meng?
Green.
How many books are there? How many books? 10 plus 7 plus
Right.
11.
17.
10 plus
28.
11 plus
28.
7. We have
28. No. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So we have 28 books, Meg. We have 28 books. See, 1 plus 7, it's 8. And 1 plus 1, we have 2. 28 of all in all. Now, let us proceed here. Okay. Now, can you fill in the missing numbers, Meg? 3, 4, 5, blank, 7. What do you think is the
3,
missing?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, very good. Now what about 4,
11,
2?
12, 13, 14,
Very good. 14, 15. What about for
15,
3? 3, 10,
10,
20,
20, 10, 30,
20.
20,
10, 20. Next to 20, we have 10, 20, blank, 40, 50. What is your answer?
10, 20. 3, 30.
Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, last one, Meng, 4.
5, 10, 15, 12,
20.
20, 14.
No, not 14. See, we already have it in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11,
13,
12, 13,
15,
14, 15, 10,
13,
20, 30,
13,
40, 50.
14,
So in here, what is the answer? 5, 10, 15, 20.
25.
25. Okay, yes, it's 25, Meg. Yes, Meg. Okay, now we have book week. Okay, how many students are there?
How many students?
Yeah, how many students can you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, very good. It's 11. How many shoes are there?
Thirty-two.
Okay, yes, 22. How many books are there, Meg?
23, 4, 5. 38.
Okay, yes, it's 28. So now, since we're done with that, Meg, let us have this one. Okay, now six pencils and seven pencils. Okay, how many pencils are there? We have six and seven, right? Six plus seven equals 13. Okay, so there are 13 pencils, Meg. There are 13 pencils. Now, how many notebooks are there, Meg?
Teacher.
How many notebooks are there, Meg?
15.
Okay, we have
There are 15
15.
notebooks.
Okay, yes, there are 15 notebooks. Okay, now what about for three? Can you can you make a question here? Question about erasers. Blank erasers
How
blank.
many erasers are there?
Okay, how many erasers are there?
Eraser. Mm.
How many erasers are there, Meg?
No. No.
No erasers? Are you sure?
I don't know.
You don't know? See, we have three erasers and four erasers. What is 3 plus 4? 3 plus
E.
4. It's
7.
okay, yes, very good. Seven erasers. There are seven erasers. Now, what about crayons? Crayons.
Uh,
How many crayons, Meg? See, we have 8 and 14. So, 14 plus 8 equals, what do you think? What is the
uh,
answer, Meg?
it 12,
It's 20.
20,
22, Meg. It's
22.
22, yes. Now, let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 6, Lesson 4. Okay, for a moment. Okay, now how many markers are there, Meg? How many markers are there?
They are 18 marker.
Okay, there are 18 markers. How many cards are there? How many cards, Meng?
They are C.
Okay, yes. No, not C, Meng. Not C. Because C is 52 crayons. We're talking about cards, Meng. What is the answer? What's the answer, Meng? Is it A or B? Is it A or B?
B.
No, it's not B. We only have here
Nine.
15. Okay, yes, it is. Amen. 52 cards. Okay, now how many crayons are there? How many crayons are there, Meng?
Uh, is 6 4 car. Yeah, 6 4 car.
No, we're not talking about cards, Meng. We're talking about crayons. Crayons. How many crayons are there? How many crayons, Meng?
16.
16 crayons? Are you sure we have a lot of crayons here? It's not 16.
64.
Yes, there are 64 crayons. Okay, please focus, Meng. How many pencils are there? Yes, Meng. How many pencils are there, Meng?
24.
Okay, so there are 24 pencils. Now, how many apples are there? How many apples, Meng? What is your answer?
Uh,
Yes.
11.
Okay, yes, there are 11 apples. You have to answer in a complete sentence, Meng. Next one, how many oranges?
Johnny. Uh, yeah, yeah.
There are
15.
15,
14.
14. Okay, let us see. So there are 15 oranges, Meng. Not 14, okay? 15 oranges. How many bananas?
Probably.
There are how many
1, 2, 3,
bananas?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13.
Okay, can you say there are 13 bananas?
Yeah, 13 banana.
Okay, bananas, Meng, not banana. Okay, now how many peaches? How many peaches, Meng?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Is it just 18, Meng? Is it just 18? Are you sure? Okay, let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, Meng, how many peaches are there?
Mm.
How many peaches are there, Meng? Yes,
13.
Meng. Okay, there are 20 peaches. There are 20 peaches, Meng. Okay, now that ends the grammar animation. So let us move on to another topic. Okay, so now have this one. It is a review, Meng. So before we listen, can you tell me first what's he doing? What's he doing? What is he doing, Meng? Look at the boy.
Mm.
What is he doing, Meng?
Music.
He is singing. Can you say it? He is
Reading.
singing. No, singing.
He is singing.
Okay, what's he doing?
Reading.
Okay, what is it?
Bed.
Okay, what is it?
Sofa.
Very good. What's she doing? She is.
Singer. Singer.
She's playing the.
The guitar.
Very good. What's he doing?
Watching TV.
What number is it?
Fa-
What number is it?
50. What?
50.
50.
50. What number is
50.
it?
50.
15. Okay, what's he doing?
Drink.
Drinking. He is drinking.
Drinking.
What's she doing?
Sleeping.
Okay, what room is
Living
it?
room. Kitchen.
Very good, Meng. Let us have the next one. Okay, I want you to take the correct answer to the question. What are they doing, Meng? They're eating or they're drinking?
They're eating.
Okay, very good. Now, are there three tables in the bathroom?
Yes, they are.
Is it yes? Where are the three tables, Meng? Where are
No,
the
they
three
aren't.
tables? Okay, no, there aren't. Is he listening to music?
Yes, he
Okay, and what's he doing?
is.
Okay, he is reading. Thank you so much, Meng. So that would be all it for our class. You can sleep now, Meng. Thank
No,
you.
no, no,
Goodbye.
no.
You will play. Okay, goodbye, Meng.